5. Stoic practices you should do when you're too exhausted. There are days when you don't want to get out of bed. Not because you're lazy, but because life has drained you physically and mentally. You are not alone. Stoic philosophy doesn't demand that you become strong. Instantly, it teaches you how to stand up more steadily. Here are 5 Stoic practices to consider when you feel too exhausted. 1. Pause. Stop trying to do more. Marcus Aurelius once reminded us, take rest, but never quit. When your body and mind are exhausted, allow yourself to pause. Not to run away, but to recover. No one can refill an empty glass, not even you. Learning how to pause is the first step to coming back stronger. 2. Return to the basics. Epictetus said, happiness does not come from outside, but from how we arrange things within. When tired, return to simple things. Make your bed, eat a proper meal, walk under the sun. It's not a step backward, it's rebuilding the foundation of a calm mind. 3. Write down your thoughts. Don't let them rule you. Seneca used to write letters to himself every day to reflect on his mind. You can do the same. When emotions are tangled, writing helps you see what you're truly thinking instead of being controlled by them. Writing is how you tell yourself, I am here, I'm listening. 4. Cut what isn't necessary. Marcus reminded, if it is not essential, don't do it. Much of our exhaustion comes from carrying too many things that were never ours to hold. Let go. From meaningless meetings to toxic thoughts. You don't need to do everything. You only need to do what matters. 5. Remind yourself that this too shall pass. Epictetus said, this too shall pass. No feeling is permanent. The exhaustion you feel does not define you. It's just a cloud passing through the sky. Don't cling to it. Don't flee either. Let it pass. Conclusion. A wake-up call. You don't have to be great when you're tired. You just need to be gentle with yourself like a companion, not a critic. Endurance isn't about speed. It's about continuing even with just one small step. Seneca said, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. What do you do when you're worn out? Leave a comment, you might help someone feel less alone. Subscribe to Stoic Bloom and let's rediscover balance from within, together. Stoic Bloom, planting inner strength from the smallest things.